So before we do this page together, hopefully you've already watched the video of Mrs. Boss doing function machine, so you know what I'm talking about. Get your math workbook out, your math journal workbook, and we're going to do page 148 together. And this is function machine. So look at page 148. Get that out. Now let's do number 1 together. Now it says here's our column with in and our column with out. So if we put number 7 in the machine and out comes 5. Wonder what our rule is. And then it shows us we put 11 in and 9 comes out. We put 4 in and 2 comes out. Well, let's get I think I need a tool to help me with this. So I'm going to use my hundreds chart. That will help me. So the first one said you put 7 in and 5 comes out. So let's look at 7 on my hundreds chart. See, there's 7. And then 5 comes out. So I'm going to hop back. 1, 2. Whenever I hop back, I'm subtracting. So I subtracted 2. Let's try that with the next one. The next one, we put 11 in and 9 comes out. So let me get my tool. And I'm going to 11. Looks like I have to hop back again. So that means subtract 1, 2. So take away 2. Let's see if that works for the next one. If I put 4 in and 2 comes out. Let's try that one. So I find 4. How many hops? Oh, it looks like I have to go back again. 1, 2. 2 hops. So my rule is take away 2. So in the box where it says rule, I want you to write take away 2, like that. Now, they just gave us a number. If we put 9 in, what will come out? 9 take away 2. If I use my hundreds chart again, if I have 9, how many hops back? They said 2. 1, 2. Oh, 7. So you can write 7 on that line. The next line, they want you to think about a number to put in. So I'm going to think of a number, and I think I will put the number, how about the number 8? So if I put 8 in, take away 2, what's going to come out? I'm going to get my hundreds chart again so I can use this tool. Find 8, do 2 hops back, 1, 2, I land on 6. So I know it will be 6. It's not always going to be subtraction. Let's look at the next one. Let's look at number 2 a minute. So number 2 says that in, you're going to put number 1 in, and number 5 comes out. So if I'm going to put number 1 in and 5 comes out, so if I have number 1, oh, here's 5. Looks like I need to make hops forward on my hundreds chart. That means I have to add. Let's see how many hops it takes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hops. Is that true for the other numbers? Let's see. If I put 3 in, because here it says in, if I put 3 in, 7 comes out. So let's look for 3. There's 3. Oh, I'm going to go forward again. So that means I'm going to add 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, plus 4. Well, let's try this one. If I put 4 in and 8 comes out. Let's see how that's going to work. So if I put 4 in, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4 hops to 8. So I think the rule is plus 4. So write plus 4 in that box. Now they did the first one for us. They put number 2 in. We have to see what number comes out. So we're going to do 2 plus 4, and let's see what comes out. So we have 2. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. What comes out? 6. So you're going to write 6 on the line. Again, they give you a spot to write your own. So you can write what number you want to go in. Then you have to add 4, and then what number comes out. Then I'd like for you to try number 3 on your own. And then number 4. Try that one on your own. That's a little bit harder. That's like a challenge question. So see if you can do it. Do the best that you can. And then once you get that done, then you can turn your book over to page 149 and you can work on this page. Let me just go over what it says. It says, draw lines to match the shapes that look alike. So you have to draw a line to the matching shape. Number 2, which is a triangle? Circle the best answer. So remember we talked about defining and non-defining attributes. So it has to be, what do all triangles have? Now, this silly triangle for some reason has a very light dotted line there, but it should be solid. And that might make it a little bit easier for you to understand which one is a triangle, the best triangle. Draw lines to match the shapes that look alike. You have to do that. These shapes you have to match with row B. Number 4 says write the number that is 10 more. So figure out what is this number. If I added 10 to it, what would be the answer? Or if I added one more long to it, what would the answer be? That's what you need to put there. The answer that is 10 more. And do the same on this side. Number 5, they want you to draw a line to cut the pizza into 2 same size parts. And then draw a rectangle, so just draw a rectangle down here, and do the same thing. You're going to draw a line so there's the 2 same size parts. And how are these pictures alike? So don't think too hard about it. It's pretty easy. How are they alike? Just look at them. How are they alike? What did you do? And what are the sizes of the different pieces? So that should help you. So that is what we have for math today.